Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through on how to change iPhone hotspot name. So if you want to change iPhone hotspot name, here's a quick way on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is go to your settings. Once you open it, then you show something like this on your screen. Then you just scroll a little bit down, then tap on hotspot. Well, the thing is, before you can have access to the hotspot section, you have to turn on your hotspot. Just turn it on. Turn on your hotspot. Just turn it on, then you have access to the hotspot section. Then tap on it. Then right here below the password phrase, you can check this, which shows that your iCloud to look for your shared network, which is iPhone. So now if you want to change this to iPhone, here's a way you can do that, because there is no a specific option under the hotspot section for you to be able to change your name. So for you to be able to change it, you just have to go back to the general. Under general, then tap on about. So under about, then the first section, which is name, tap on it. Then I can just simply put the name of the hotspot you want to add. So I'm just going to add Neymar. Then you can see Neymar is right here. Then just go back a little, go back to the hotspot section, tap on it. Then we'll check from here. You can see that the network name has been changed, and this also will reflect on your Bluetooth name. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.